This certainly isn't my second time recording this because we got sent the wrong exhaust and nothing. But first time's a charm. What we have is Skunk 2's double R exhaust, which is their 3-inch. And this is what we put on most of our cars. This is what's on my car, what we're putting on another customer's car, what we're putting on this turbo K-swap hatch. And let's get the unboxing. All right, got the whole exhaust unboxed. Beautiful, beautiful. Wait a second. Yeah, we're not fucking using it. Twinkie finishes up the fuel lines. I've got the exhaust just about mounted up. We're not going to talk about how apparently I put on that backwards, but looking good. Now we can mock up, downpipe, and so forth, and get the joint ready to get tuned. This EK hatch is also getting some nice upper and lower K-tune control arms. We are doing this build right, per the customer's request, but per our suggestion as well. As Twiggy just said, suspension is on and done. Boom, boom. Fuel system's just about done. And then everything on this table left. I know this might look like a clusterfuck or lots of, it's really just fab and intercooler, welding that on, radiator fans, piping, and tune, that's it. This setup was already in an EK hatch, so we don't have to worry about modifying any piping or nothing. Straight in and go. See, like I said, I told you I wasn't a lot. That table's now just about empty. Got the piping already hooked up. All we have to do is weld and make a new bracket go into there. Those are the old brackets. Downpipes for K-Series are very tricky. Like we had this one with a bunch of pipe cuts already welded together. And went down here to go down here to the exhaust. Y'all probably like, how are we gonna do that? It's really already mocked up. I'm about to be tacking it now. Like you talking about this? This one that's in the cut right here? Oh, yeah, that's perfect, actually. You mark with the Sharpie again, or?
No, I mean, I gotta tap that first. Then right here, I move it.
Gotcha. Where I want it. Beautiful looking pipe, if I don't say so myself.
You what? You're gay! He's gay!
This is what we call a circumcision. And I get an F in the chat for all my people that are circumcised. one shell to another. Complete swap. Turnkey done.